Hey there, I'm Chef Ani, and today we are outside because summer has come to New Hampshire. Look at that, the sun came out right on cue. Very good. Today we are going to be making the most beautiful, fresh, summery smoothie ever. This is a peach smoothie. I love peaches, especially when they're in season, and right now you can find peaches all over New Hampshire because it's peach season. And so I thought, let's make the most beautiful smoothie ever because it's so hot and I need a refreshing drink, and I think Mama wants one too, don't you, Mom? Yeah. It's awfully hot out here and we're melting, so we're gonna just jump right into this video before we just melt into a puddle. So enough talking, let's get cooking. I wanted to show you too, because it's so hot out here, we have to protect the cameras. Mom is running away from the camera, but look here. We have cameras with umbrellas. We have protected the cameras. So I have beautiful fresh peaches here from New Hampshire. Like I said, it's peach season. I can't juggle, Mama, I'm sorry.
Try.
Try juggling?
Oh, you have to move them from one hand to the other. There you go!
That's not juggling. That's just tossing them. All right, enough funny business, Mama. Let's be serious here. Let's make a smoothie. We are just going to take 2 fresh peaches. I'm also going to add some frozen mango. We don't really grow a lot of mango up here in New Hampshire, so we have to use frozen. But it's okay because it kind of acts like the ice in this recipe, and that's a good secret, is to use frozen fruit instead of ice in your smoothies so that it doesn't water it down, because watered down smoothie is just not gonna fly today. So I have some beautiful, well, it was frozen mango, but they're pretty melted now because of the heat, but it's okay. And I'm going to add some apple juice concentrate. I like to use the apple juice concentrate because it adds that sweetness without all the refined sugar. And we're adding in a really ripe banana. Don't shy away from the brown marks on the skin. That just means sweet. It's also going to make it creamier, which who doesn't want a creamy smoothie? And we're gonna add some water to help this all blend up. Look at our smoothie. It is so beautiful. Look at that color. Woo, I'm excited. Some fresh slices of peaches on top like that.
Tell me what animal you saw this week.
So this week we were down by the river and my parents saw a tiny little baby otter. I have yet to see the little fellow because I was busy, but looking other places. But the little otter is apparently just a tiny little baby one, and I am so excited to see him. Oh, yeah, sit down for that one. That is good. I mean, really, Mom, is this the life or what? Is this the life?
This is life.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video.